We've all been waiting so desperately for spring to come, and now it's here. Nobody gives a gnat's knacker. Morning everyone, I know we're on lockdown, but I've got an essential trip to the shops to get some milk. Got my backpack on, you can see. So if I get stopped, can't go without milk, can you? And I'm all on my own, we haven't got the car. So this is my only means of transport. I've got the divvy, but I'll tell you the story about the divvy. I took it for its MOT a couple of months ago. I didn't film anything. The day before I took it for the MOT, I checked all the lights, all the brakes, everything, a good once over. Got on the MOT. Try your indicators. Nothing. The right hand side has stopped working completely. And then the left hand side worked, and then I tried it again and it didn't work. So that's why I'm not riding on the divvy today, with all the top box and side pannier space for all my shopping. And here we are going to get some milk. So here we are, back on the bike. I've got my milk in my backpack. I didn't cross the black line. I didn't let anybody breathe on me, and I didn't breathe on anybody else. It's all we can do, innit? Just try to keep safe. Maybe we could take the long way home, but you know, I don't think we should. Anybody want to buy Rosalie? She's up for sale. No, she's not even up for sale because I didn't even bother. You know, you don't want people coming round looking at your bike, do you, in this day and age? Not really. Yes, that's why I didn't go in the co-op. Too many people. Yes, I'm all by myself, and the wife is in London looking after her mother. So I'm on lockdown all by my little self. But you know, we're all coping, aren't we? We're coping with it, this crazy time. So anyway, everybody out there, take care, stay well. We will get through this. And if we don't, I'll see you in another life, brother. With my milk. So slow, isn't it? Got a flat tyre as well.
I'll see you in another life, brother.